Hi, this is Robert Weiss from Multivision Digital. Thank you for engaging us into a video content marketing project with you. Wanted to take just a couple minutes to explain what happens next. Should you sign that statement of work you have in front of you, we are going to have an internal meeting and share the scope of the project with our internal producers and our directors and come up with a list of questions to make sure everybody is on par with your goals and objectives. After our internal meeting, we're going to have a clear direction. We'll have thoughts, we'll have questions for you, which we will then communicate that on in a kickoff call with you. Typically, the kickoff call happens between 10 to 14 days prior to shooting at your location, and that's when we're going to ask any questions that we have. We're going to go through the day's logistics, the planning, confirm your goals and objectives. One of the great things about Multivision is you get a full team of people that have skill sets from the digital marketing side to directing to production all the way through to post-production. The shoot, we come there prepared to execute because we have a day's plan all spec'd out. We know exactly what key value propositions are. We know what time people are showing up. We know what they should be saying to capture for your final deliverable. And about 14 days, 10 to 14 days later, you're going to have a preview version, which, because we've spent time on the pre-production, it's really just a matter of putting the puzzle pieces together per your spec. And what we hear is those preview versions are between 85 to 95% exactly what they were thinking of. We had one client tell us 87%. I don't know how he came out with that, but that was his number. But if there's any comments in that preview version, we'll go over them with you, we'll take them back, we'll re-edit the video and present that final video to you thereafter, fully packaged, ready to use in your marketing and sales process. So we look forward to getting that signed SOW back from you and starting this process with your team. If you need any more insights as to any other clients that have worked with us in the past, click on the link below and hear what they have to say. We look forward to getting you in front of the camera. Thank you very much.